I get up early on Saturday. I get up early every day, but Saturday is special because it's gardening day and the day I get to shoot these stupid videos. Essentially, it's a work day for me, not for the destructive corporation that owns all my time Monday through Friday. I choose Saturday as my designated get shit done day because all the other consumers are wandering around aimlessly looking for product to make their bodies feel like Christmas. They're jousting in dystopian parking lots, queuing up at the local brunch places to cram synthetic substances in the lowest hole on their face, flocking to the trails to get their workouts in because they also work shit jobs that take every second Monday through Friday. I don't have the energy anymore to compete with them, so I garden in my own little gardening bubble and record every second to share with y'all, my smart, good-looking, very successful audience. Coffee starts the day. Cold brew is the only right answer. Fight me. After taking care of the little diva mutt, I get to it. I essentially have 4 setups. Outdoor stuff, like my ginger, which gets some sun during the spring and summer. Kitchen countertop stuff, my AeroGardens. They're idiot-proof, but limited in what they can grow. My shelves, which right now are dedicated to kale and soon other leafy greens. Like these little chard seedlings. Look at them. Aren't they hot? Then there's my grow tent, which is just a hodgepodge of experiments right now. Aside from the rosemary, it was started from grocery store cuttings. Now look at it. It's all grows up and it's all grows up. I typically have the video I'm shooting scripted out. I try to center it around what I'm doing that week in the garden, which I track in this roadmap that has all the things I'm growing, when I started them, what's next, and some other data points. Before I set up the camera and lights and shit, I'll sit down and map out all the shots I want to get. It's so much easier than winging it and realizing in post that I didn't get the shots I needed. The shot selections always feel like I'm making a movie in my head, but then I get to shooting and realize that A, I'm a goddamn giant that's hard to fit in the frame, and B, my head is a stupid idiot because I am not a skilled cinematographer, and my camera is barely above a point and shoot. And I'm working on a very limited time budget. But I do all right, I think. Then I get to shooting. I'm literally doing the gardening task I need to do for the week while shooting. This is my favorite thing of the week. I look forward to it. Because it does feel like I'm making a movie. And I love a good close-up. After shooting, I'll do the dirty task of feeding the kale, feeding the rosemary, feeding the peppers, feeding the carrots, which need daily spritzing to keep them wet until their roots develop down enough to survive on their own. Feeding the peas. Look at this shit. I started these about a month ago and they're already have peas. I also realized these guys are viners. I thought they were bushes, like your mom's. So I got these pole things to give them something to climb up. I can't wait to try these damn things. Then I'll give the ginger a little juice. Won't be long now before I harvest most of it and keep a little to overwinter inside. Oh, and the wife has this little orchid plant she's trying to keep alive. Your days are numbered, little orchid. This is how I spend my Saturdays. As the consumers buzz by my stupid apartment on a quest to nowhere, I barricade myself inside to work on my stupid nano farm. And then sit on the patio, waiting for a comet or asteroid to slam into Earth and wake us all up from this version of the simulation. And that's all I have this week. So how do you spend your Saturdays? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'm always and forever Aaron. You just consumed a Hydro Solo video. See you next week. When do you get back from Vomit Town?